Full automatic packaging and stacking production line is a follow-up process automatic production line of powder-making R&D by Guilin Hongcheng. It provides complete, high-quality packaging automation solution programs for food, cosmetic, pharmaceutical, metal building materials, electrical, and electronic industries. Full automatic packaging and stacking production line mainly consists of the automatic bagging machine, multifunctional automatic quantitative powder packaging machine, belt conveyor line, shaping compaction conveyor, dispatch steering conveyor, hydraulic palletizer, empty tray automatic feeder, power rod conveyor, and non-power rod conveyor. Put bags into the storage box of automatic bagging machine. Bagging machine can self-identify bags and start bagging. Automatic packaging machine to start automatically, and packaging in quantitative. System switches on automatically programmed to restart the next bag packaging process. Multifunctional packaging machine to push packed bags to the conveyor belt automatically. Packed bags automatically transported to the shaping compaction machine and dispatch steering conveyor through the conveyor line for compaction and exhaust, to place coordinately according to the palletizing requirements. Automatic control program ensures each stack of bags is staggered from each other. Palletizing is more stable, neat, and beautiful. After compaction and orientation of stack, bags will be sent by the conveyor automatically into the hydraulic stacking machine for multilateral secondary shaping before palletizing. The height of stacking layer is automatically controlled by the program. Stacks will be automatically sent by power rod conveyor to non-powered rod conveyor after stacks reaches the settled height, waiting to be transit by forklift. Empty tray feeder will automatically transport an empty tray to the stacking platform of the hydraulic palletizer as a cycle. Only 1 or 2 workers for the entire production line, responsible for the supply of adequate packaging bags. At the same time, to storage stacking through forklift, the production line can be smoothly operated. Full automatic packaging and stacking production line is low investment and operation costs, high degree of automation, low labor costs, high palletizing capability, wide adaptability. Stacking layer is neat and beautiful, is a beloved follow-up process automatic production line of powder making.